Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video, we'll be talking about special trigonometric limits. So, pag sinabi natin na special trigonometric limits, meaning meron tayong mga quote-unquote identities na ginagamit kapag nag-evaluate tayo ng limit. So, kapag may trigonometric limit tayo, hindi lang naman puro squeeze theorem ang gagamitin natin, okay? So, meron tayong special trigonometric limits, and apat sila. So, limit as x approaches 0 ng sin x all over x is equal to 1. Okay? So, kailangan nalalahanin natin sin x over x is equal to 1 kapag limit as x approaches 0. Paano kung cosine naman? Kung cosine, so limit as x approaches 0 ng 1 minus cosine x all over x is equal to 0. Okay? So, itong dalawa, yung main natin na kailangan alalahanin. Sin x over x is equal to 1 and 1 minus cos x over x is equal to 0. And yung susunod na dalawa is just intuitive naman. No? So, limit as x approaches 0 ng sin of x is equal to 0. And limit na x approaches 0 ng cosine x is equal to 1. No? And bakit ko nasabi na sila ay intuitive? Kasi if you look at the graph of sin x, di ba? So, ganito yung graph ng sin x. And ito yung 0. So, kapag nag-approach siya from the left side and the right side, as you can see, it approaches both of 0. Okay? And yung cosine naman, pag nag-drawing tayo ng cosine, ganun din. So, ganyan naman siya. And this is 0. So, pag nag-approach from the left and from the right, it approaches the value 1. No? So, hindi natin siya kailangan alalahanin. Okay? So, ang main na kailangan natin alalahanin is limit as x approaches 0 sin x over x is equal to 1 and limit as x approaches 0 ng 1 minus cos x over x is equal to 0. Okay? And papakita ko lang kung paano natin to ginagamit. No? So, for example, we have a relatively complex function, let's say limit as x approaches 0 ng sin 3x all over sin 5x. So, paano natin gagamitin yung idea natin ng special trigonometric limits dito? No? So, what we can do is to multiply by 3x over 3x and 5x over 5x. And anong ginagawa nun para sa atin, di ba? Parang nag-multiply lang naman tayo eh. Ang nangyayari, we get sin x over x here and sin 5x here. No? So, pwede natin i-rearrange yan. So, limit as x approaches 0 ng sin 3x all over 3x times 5x over sin 5x times natitirang 3x over 5x. Okay? And sabi sa atin dito, we have the limit of sin x over x is equal to 1. Okay? So, yung limit na to, sin 3x over 3x is equal to 1. Tapos, we have sin 5x here and 5x over sin 5x is just 1 over 1. Tama? Times 3x over 5x which magka-cancel lang yung x. No? So, we get the limit as x approaches 0 to be just equal to 3/5. No? So, this sin 3x over sin 5x is just equal to 3/5 when limit as x approaches 0. Okay? So, technically, para siyang limit as x approaches 0 ng sin of f of x all over f of x is equal to 1. And limit as x approaches 0 ng 1 minus cosine f of x all over f of x is equal to 0. So, meaning, f of x here can be any function of x. So, in this case, we have 3x and 5x. So, hindi nagmamatter. Hindi siya x lang. Okay? So, pwedeng kahit anong function of x. Kunyari, 3x squared plus 1. Okay? So, kabisaduhin natin, limit as x approaches 0, sin x over x is equal to 1, and limit as x approaches 0 ng 1 minus cos x over x is equal to 0. Okay? So, we will be having a more difficult example in the next video. So, see you in the next video.